Ahoy there! Captain Will Radford of Queen Anne's Blouse, here to serve you today. Now I'm wondering, do you notice anything different about my face? Look closely. Ah yes, there is an eye patch here, and it's not because I lost an eye, it's because I'm a clever pirate. Do you know why pirates used to wear eye patches? Well, if I was attacking a ship on deck in the bright sunlight, and I had to go below deck in order to get the treasure or attack the captain or whoever, well, obviously I can switch the patch from one eye to the other, and the eye that has been adjusted to the darkness can immediately see below deck. Yes, that's a clever trick indeed. And I'm going to teach all of you how to make your own eye patch out of scrap leather, right here, and a hammer, a nail and a block of wood, scissors, a pen for tracing, and well, if you have an old pair of sunglasses where you can use the lens, remove the lens, or you could just draw this shape, quite easy to do, and you're going to trace out the shape of the patch. So those are the materials, let's get down to it. First you're going to get some scrap leather. This actually came from an old chair. And then with your removed old lens, here we have it, we're going to trace the patch. Now you don't want your pen marks to be seen on the front side of your patch, so maybe do it on the back end of the leather. There we have it. Perfect. Now we're going to cut out the patch using some sharp scissors. Perfect. Next, with a thick nail, a hammer, a block of wood, and something to protect the surface of your floor, you're going to poke 2 holes into your leather eye patch. Perfect. Now number 2. Alright, now with that same scrap of leather you're going to cut a nice long strip, as long as you can, that can fit around your head. Alright, let's finish this one here. Alright, let's see there, that looks quite long. Now make sure the holes in your patch are large enough that you can fit the thin leather strip through it and tie knots. So we're going to do that now with our nice thick nail. Stretch out that leather a bit. Do the other one. Alright. Hopefully that's wide enough for each hole. We'll see how it goes. This is probably the most difficult part of this whole thing. Fitting the leather through the hole. Bugger. Ugh. Come on, get in there. Maybe we can use the nail to push it in. I think that might be a good idea. Come on, get in there. Did I get it? Yes! Huzzah! I did. Alright, so we're going to tie a knot there at the one end. See how quickly I can do that. Oh yes, not bad. Not bad at all. Oh, tying knots in leather. That's what pirates do all the time, don't we? Alright, perfect. And then we're going to stick the other one in, the other hole. Might have to use the nail again. We'll see. Yes, no? Bloody hell. I think we need the nail. Here we have it. Coordination, right? That's what captains need. Oh, can we fit in there? Did we get it? Huzzah again! I think it's through. Perfect. Tie another knot here.
Alright. Hopefully this looks like I'm accomplishing something. This is just twiddling my thumbs. There we have it. Perfecto. Alright. So now we have the patch with the thing that goes around the head. I don't even know what that's called. Do you know? Post in the comments. Alright. So final step is we're going to cut the end right there. So it's easy to, let's do that in the middle there. Alright, perfect. So we're going to cut that there. Perfect. Now I think our patch is done and we can tie it to One-eyed Willy's head. Are you ready? Here we go. Alright, One-eyed Willy, let's put on your patch. His head's quite small. Maybe pirate brains were much smaller in the 1600s. Ah, look at that. Just like mine.